Art matters because it can change people's perceptions. My name's Reuben Wu. I'm a photographer, commercial and fine art. I'm also a photographer at National Geographic. I think more recently I've been thinking of my role as more of an artist. Art itself means something to me, which is hugely important, but I think the meaning that it has to others who view my art is incredibly crucial as well. I recently finished with taking pictures on the island of Gran Canaria. It was quite an epic shoot. Roque Nublo is such an iconic landmark. With a photograph, how do you tell a full narrative of something that's happening? It's almost like a single line from a poem. It's a long journey that begins with my imagination and then finishes in the studio when I'm actually putting that story together. The most important thing about a tool is how it aligns with my process. As cameras get more and more sophisticated, as images get larger and larger, post-production process becomes more significant. Now it's all about how each tool is designed and how those specific design elements can actually help the creative process. I use a combination of Lightroom and Photoshop, so I'm dealing with a lot of different individual adjustment layers. As you open the Zenbook Pro 14 Duo, the screen articulates up in a really nice way, so it allows you to view the additional screen pad. It allows me to have a dedicated area for tools like brush sizes and layers. There are certain parts in my process where using a stylus on screen is very useful for me. The only limit is my imagination. It's so lightweight. I've carried the Zenbook Pro 14 Duo in my backpack without even knowing it's there, which is kind of funny. I think the future for me is pushing the envelope of my medium, expanding beyond photography, beyond video, exploring new areas of visual art. I think that goes back to my original goal of sharing my experiences with others. I would describe art as the most important, most profound activity that humans can do. It's an expression, it's pure expression. It's way more powerful than anything else.